Uh-oh, not starting the YouTube. Is the YouTube up? Yo, the YouTube is up. Right? Says it's been up for... Oh, there we go. There we go, it's up. Okay, nice, nice. And then we go live chat instead of top chat. And then we yoink Twitch. And we move that there. We move this there. Okay, nice. We're good. We're good to go. We're good to go. Many FIMSHs. All of the many FIMSHs. Okay, so what are we doing? Oh, there's some purple FIMSHs. What the? Purple FIMSHs. That's cool. That's cool. Let's open Z and get started, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so we head over here now. Boop. Okay, professional streamer, something like that. Your rank went up. Whoa. Whoa. I wonder if I should get rid of the ranks. Thinking. Oh, here we are. Okay. Is this the right repo? Owl overlay v2? That looks like the right one. So hot hatch stuff. I wonder if it still works. I don't actually know. That still broke? No, I removed it. I removed it on purpose. I just didn't put in the replacement, which wouldn't be a command and not something you can force either. Not broke. I should stop. I should stop having a reply with that wholly. Therefore, still broke. True. Yeah. What if I try just the Z editor with no restrictions? Oh, we're not getting video over encoding overloaded. Oh, yo, amazing. Fixed. Do you think I run that plus the DX serve and it'll be fine? No, it is not fine. It is overloading. Uh-oh. Is it just when I do DX serve? Yeah, okay. DX serve overloads it. But does it take long? It doesn't take long. It's only 6 seconds. Maybe that's fine. Well, at least this time it was only 6 seconds. That's probably fine, right? Anyway, we added Avian at the end of yesterday, and so I think what we do is set up. Or we don't hot reload the setup. That's probably fine though. Is it fine? I guess so. How do I? Okay. So if I create a new file, we'll call this like barriers. Oh, I can't type. There's no typing. Gotta restart. Gotta go again. If we go a new file called like barriers. Wait, how do we spell that? Is that right? Barriers. Oh, I did spell it right. Nice. News Bevy. Oh, it's quite small today. The text is quite small today. I wonder why. Prelude star FN super. Wait, not FN. Pub plugin app and smart app. And then here we go app with whatever. So we'll just save this. Save and then I forgot how we like tab across tabs, but that's okay. It seems like I don't need to remember that right now. Here we go, mod barriers. Mm. Yeah, behaviors, barriers, and come here. Now we have all the juicy autocomplete stuff. We can go app dot with hot patch. Then we have app and bot app. And then what? And then what? I guess we just do app dot setup. Add systems, and then we go setup, FN setup. Okay, so actually we don't need a setup here. What we do need to do, this is startup, is we need to have a observer actually. We need to go add observer. Add observer. We're adding camera attached, I guess. Primary camera created. Because here we go, primary camera created. Because when this happens, we need to create the barriers. So we go pub struct barrier. This is a component, live component. Why is it? Oh, my brackets are gone. Where did they go? Don't know. Yeah, primary character, this thing. So we go trigger, and this is an on add of, I think it's just on add of camera 2D. Here, this is where we need to create 4 barriers for the outside of the window that the ball can like bounce off. Well, not the ball. It's gonna be a FIMSH, and we want them to turn away from the wall when they come close to them. So we'll work on that soon. So trigger on add camera 2. Okay, so this should be fine, right? Yeah, it is fine. That creates the barriers, the setup things there. Okay, so I think we do the DX serve thing. Oh, we're overloaded. That's fine though. It only took 8 seconds in total. Okay, we'll leave this here. Should we we'll leave that there for now. Okay, so on camera add, yes, I need to remember how we make blocks, but let's just work it out for now. So when we add a camera 2D, we need to grab the camera itself. So we go camera, query reference of camera, and then we go if let okay camera is equal to camera dot get, and we go trigger dot target. I think this is how it works. Okay, why is this like yellow? It's never created. Oh, I didn't add it. I didn't add it to the plugins on your barriers plugin. This doesn't hot patch, I don't think. Anyway, barriers plugin. Mm-hmm. Wait, I wonder. So if we save, if we come over to main, app new. If I go like this, I get rid of them, and then we also delay the run until later. So this is let app is equal to that, and here we go app dot with hot patch. And we go app and mut app. Can I then go yeah, app dots, and then we, oh shit, I don't have it anymore. We just yoink this line, paste it here. We just like hot patch entire plugins. No, right? What's wrong with this? Temporary value dropped while borrowed. Borrow later used here. Oh, I wonder if I can just like do this. And then do this. And then we can get rid of this. Because like the way we test this is what we just remove behaviors and then it stops moving. Or was that it trying to open and then it died? Run unsafe. Yeah, okay, I don't think we can hot patch apps, plugins. Okay. That was a wild idea anyway. That's okay. FIMSH. Very good. Okay, save. And then what? Oh, it didn't give it to me. Open up. Oh, it has to compile everything now. Oh, it's still dying. Did I actually break it properly? Okay, nice. Right. Okay, here. So we go camera dot. What did we use inside behavior? Primary camera. Oh wait. We do have kind of on add of primary camera. That's fine. And then we got the width and height by doing what exactly? Oh, I deleted it. Uh-oh. Camera dots. It's like draw size or something. Viewport. Hello. Eldorado. Welcome in. Brazil, eh? That's pretty cool. I hope I can visit Brazil one day. I hope to be moving to the EU soon, if all things line up. And then visit just like a bunch of different places. Viewport to wells to logical. Is it to logical? Physical? It's probably not physical, right? Where's my little thing? Yeah, I have eaten water. I have drunk water and eaten. Yeah. I like food a lot. I do need to go to the shops to get either tonic water or sonic water. Oh my. Soda water. Because I really like those and I ran out. and that's how I consume most of my water. The full logical size of this camera is render target and ignoring custom viewport configuration. Note if the viewport field is summed, this will not represent the size of the rendered area. The rendered logical bounds of rect of the camera. The viewport set this will rect will be this one. This is what we want, I think. Size. Sonic water, yeah. Hedgehog water, oh my god. What's the project about? So my main game, the game I'm working on currently, is not what we're working on right this second. But my main game is a tactics game. Oh, that's broken. Oh wait, can't go. No, rust up. So override nightly. It's a tactics game mixed with whatchamacallit. Oh, that's dying. Like a TFT kind of thing, and it's very simplified numbers, and so like things only have like at most like 5 health, and most of the time they only have 1 or 2 health. So most things are like one hit kind of deal. So we don't have the like they're meant to be laid out as very short like combat interactions, just one after another, and we have a little story around it. But what I'm working on today is well, you see the FIMSHs on my overlay at the moment. I'm updating them with this new overlay. Well, I'm making my new overlay today, adding some cool FIMSH things that hopefully will be more interactive and more enjoyable. What does this return? An optional rect. Why is it optional? Why is it optional? Maybe that's not what we need. Squeeze the fish? The fish? What the? FIMSH. Is also optional? Yeah, it is. Okay. Yeah, okay. We have the size, and we want to create barriers on like above the screen, to the right of the screen, to the left of the screen, and below the screen. Can you make squeezed FIMSH? No, I don't think I can. The FIMSHs will be a lot smaller, I think, with this new overlay, because I'm planning on doing something completely different. Well, not completely different, but vastly different to what they can do now. A long FIMSH. I tried a long FIMSH, but I think it might get like un-TOS friendly. It was not expected, and I was like, holy, that's a little problematic. So let's get top of the screen. So top, right, bottom, and left. So top would be size.y by half, right would be size by x by half, bottom is size of y by half, but it's the negative, and left is the same as the negative of size x of half. Okay, so we have the points at, oh, is it not a xy thing? Oh, it's an optional. Sum. I go let sum equals this, and we go else. I'll just go else continue, I think. Continue. Wait, it's just else return. actually, I think what we want to do is if it's failing to get the viewport, we need to wait one more frame. So what we do is I think we can just go commands, and then here we go commands.entity trigger.target, and we just go insert primary camera. This way, this will trigger itself again later, and hopefully it will be your valid. It will be able to get the size from it. It should be fine though. This needs to be returned. Did I? Oh, I did. Look at that. Thank you. All right, so that's all good. Now I need 4 entities. Okay, so this is where I need to remember how avian works. Because we did make Plinko and stuff out of this, which was pretty cool. And I would like to bring back these little like mini games of stream because they were fun. They were fun. This is not avian. Avian 2D. It would be a rigid body, right? A static rigid body. Oh, right, and we need to give a collider. Okay, so I think what we do here is I actually just have a look at my current overlay and we yoink some stuff because it has some useful things that are a little bit annoying to work out, but they're very useful. So, I'll overlay. What the? It's gone. There it is. Here it is. Okay, so for Plinko, the board, pin. A pin or a triangle would work. Because I think we get it to generate the bounding mesh from the triangle mesh, right? Collider. Oh, we just create the collider then and there. Is that the same with pin? Yeah, pin, collider? Yeah, it's just a circle. Wait, where did we use custom? I swear somewhere we custom made the collider. But anyway, this is fine. This is fine. This is okay. So yeah, we do need a collider. We do need a mesh. That's not how we make a mesh. So we do just have a circle currently. I don't know what my autocomplete is. Pretty sure it's just circle. How is it not just circle? New, and then you pass in like the radius, so like 12. Oh wait. We're not doing a circle, we're doing a rectangle. And so it needs at least two parameters. Very math. That's not the kind of rectangle we want. Quad? Is it a quad? No, it's the full rectangle. Okay, that makes sense. Nice. Okay, so these don't need a visual. So actually you go plans.spawn and then here collider capsule endpoints compound convex decomposition ellipse half space creates a collider with half space shape defined by the outward normal of its planar boundary. Right, we can just use half space. Heights is a list of indicating the altitude of each subdivision point, and the scale controls the scaling factor. Creates a collider with the height field shape. What is a height field shape? Height field. Oh. But in 2D? Oh, it probably doesn't mean 2D. Wait, height field. A 2D height field is a segment along the x-axis, so left and right, subdivided at regular intervals. Okay. And then heights is a list indicating the altitude of each subdivision point and scale. Oh, it's like, okay, that makes sense. That's cool. That's cool. But I think we just want half space. We don't even need to give it a shape. Yeah, okay. So if we go half space, because everything else after that we don't care about. So the outward normal creates a collider with a half space shape defined by the outward normal of the planar. Okay, so if we go 0 and 1, this would be the up, but we place it from translation, we place it at the top. So this would be vector 3 new. X is 0, top is up, right? I think this is correct. I have too many brackets. No, I need 2 there, that's for sure. I have too many here. Oh, I don't have enough here, that's what's going on. Okay, nice. I did not have enough brackets, that's what happened. So this should be top barrier. And then we just add the left, right, and bottom ones. So this one will be the right barrier. I could be wrong about this. This is 0. The X would be the right side, and this one would be positive X. The top, not the top. This is the bottom barrier. So the Y location is at the bottom, and its normal vector is down. This one would be the left barrier. So here our top is 0. Sky Gray, hello, left. And then this becomes -1. So if I do that, this is fine. Do I also need to give it a rigid body? Yeah, I do. Yeah, all of these need a rigid body of static. For now, we won't like formalize this or anything. We don't need the mesh anymore. Save. Is that it? I think that's it. And then, okay, that's fine. And then I need to go back to behaviors, and with the standard FIMSH behavior. Right, we need to work out collisions. So let's just do some basic collisions. I know we can listen for collision events. Are they triggers or are they events? Hello, I hope you've been doing well. Activate pressure plates. Entity with pressure plate, collisions, pressure plate query, computer total impulse applied to the pressure plate, contact pair, collisions with collisions. Okay. That's fine. We could do that, or I'm pretty sure there's one like there's like a collided. I think there's a collision start, maybe collision events. Yeah, collision started. Event reader, collision started. Yeah, okay, we need this. Okay. Here. FIMSH behavior. If it is the standard FIMSH, I don't think we need the transform anymore. We do need the velocity. We don't need the camera. So here, did I copy this? And did I copy anything? No. So we want to yoink this event. Collision started. Oh wait, can we specify an entity with this? Entity 1 and 2. Observable events. Oh, this is what we want. Observe trigger. Okay. So what we do instead of this, actually we can just get rid of this. Fuck it, it's gone. Bye bye. FIMSH behavior gone. What we do is we go add observer standard FIMSH behavior added, and here we go fn standard FIMSH behavior added. So whenever we add that behavior to an entity, so this is on add standard FIMSH behavior. What we want to do is we want to add an observer to it. So we also need commands. So commands. So here we go, commands entity trigger entity, and we go add observer. Or is it just observe? It's just observe, and then this will be apply standard FIMSH behavior, I believe. And this one is a trigger, like they said. So what is the observer trigger? On collision start, and then they have a query of player. Oh yeah, it's just a normal thing. This is just a trigger on collision start, and then we have a query of the velocity, so and velocity. We don't know which one is going to be colliding with current, like what kind of collision it is yet. So line standard, we'll have to get that later. We'll do something much simpler to start off with. So we go save. What's wrong with trigger? Why does trigger not have entity? Oh, it's target. Target. What's wrong with observe? I cannot spell trigger is what's wrong. Trigger. And yeah. And here for now, we'll just go for velocity in query.get trigger.target. This will be get mat actually. Oops. And here we go, immutable. And here we go, immutable. And then here, for now, we'll just reverse velocity. So we'll just get the whole thing and we multiply it by -1 question mark. Mat, get mat. Velocity. Oh, it's not our velocity. This has its own velocity, right? Velocity question mark. It's got linear velocity. What's its angular velocity? An example of a rigid body in radians per second. Positive value will be, oh, it's the rotation velocity. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, okay. So instead of velocity, we want linear velocity. And then here we go. Velocity dot move towards right hand side based on value d. When d is 0, the result is equal to self. Perpendicular. Oh, yeah, that could be useful. Just perpendicular it. I mean, it's all right. If self is normalized, then this is just rotation. This is we usually want, otherwise it will be like a rotation with a multiplication by self link. Rotate towards with x. So I think we just multiply this by -1 for now, and we'll call it a day. Which means we should get rid of normal velocity. Yeah, FIMSH behavior doesn't happen anymore. We also don't apply velocity anymore either. Save. This is linear velocity. Oh, it requires linear velocity, and actually that might be it. That might be it. Mm, mm, mm. We don't need primary camera anymore. Not in this area, at least. What's wrong with this? Oh, right. This is just a if let okay. Equals nice. Okay, barrier. Those are fine. That's fine. What am I trying to do? What am I trying to do? So I wanted to get rid of velocity. Oh yeah, here it is. We get rid of velocity. We no longer use it. And I think that's it. I think we're done. Well, let's serve it up. Oh, it failed. We're not done. There's no velocity. FIMSH. Oh, we don't have that open currently. Right, we want to set the... well, actually, does FIMSH require linear velocity? It may not. It may not. But when we spawn this FIMSH, we want linear velocity. Actually... Yeah, let's have it require transform and linear velocity. Does it need anything else? I don't think so. Anyway, so we go linear velocity. Yeah, that's what I thought. What are your functions? Tell me them. This is not your functions. Okay, let me just save this. We go linear velocity. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. But where's your new? Huh. Hello, yo, CSM, welcome in. Hi, how you doing? You're bringing the functionality to the function. Let's go. Yeah, why can I not create a linear velocity? Oh, wait. It's just this way. I'm silly. Let's go like 20, 30. I don't remember the numbers I had, and I don't think it matters. Oh, it does matter a little bit, but that's okay. Hello? There's no existing builds. Hey, you mean? Yo, Asterton gets a bunny today in like uh less than 12 hours, I think. Holy. Wait, it's not moving. That's good. It's not moving. Oh, we didn't give it a rigid body. Right. Uh Rigid body dynamic. Bodies are affected by forces, velocity, and collisions. Yeah. Dynamic is exactly what we want. Oh, I closed again. I need to stop closing it. Hello? It's not opening it. Hang on, let me just do it again. Oh, I'll have to think Halond whenever they appear. It's not moving. Did I forget something? Is the plugin physics plugin? Is that the only one I need? Avian. Yeah, I think that's the only one I need. Physics interpolation plugin. Yo, give me that. Oh, I want to see that more. Oh, templates enables extrapolation of translation and rotation for all rigid bodies. This can be overridden. Oh, or interpolate all or extrapolate. What's the difference between interpolate and extrapolate? I think an interpolate is what we want. Yo, did I close the window already? Oh shit, I closed the game window again, mate. Let's build it again. Look at this. 4 seconds. 4-second bevy build. Holy. So fast. Oh yeah, that's right. It doesn't work. It doesn't work currently. Oh, it doesn't have collision. FIMSHs don't have a collision body. So collider. There's like a from mesh. Can I go from when we pass in mesh? I did not like that. Is it not importing? Let's just do this. Should have a different arrow now, right? Oh, what is going on? We go collider. Collider. Wait. No, that was right. Collider. Capsule. Like we do want a circle, but can I get it from a mesh? Try from constructor. Collider, constructor, capsule, endpoint circle, convex hull. Oh. Wait, this is not what I want. This is not what I want. Let's have a look at Collider because my lint is being a little annoying. Collider. If you need to specify the shape of the collider statically, use collider constructor and build a collider with the collider try from constructor method. This can also be done by simply placing the collider structure on an entity. Oh, I can just go collider constructor. Just collider constructor like this. Oh, it does not like that. What is this? How do I close the tab? Close others, but close self doesn't have anything. What the? Expected value found in Wait, what? Did I not read this right? This can also be done automatically by simply placing collider constructor on an entity. All right, we don't build it, we just put it on the entity. That's fine. Okay. Spawn circle capsule. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna do circle. So a later circle. Okay, so we have the radius. The radius is up here, right? Yeah. Okay. So here we'll go. Let's. Oh, why is this here? What the? Let mut radius is equal to 24. This circle gets replaced with radius. Then down here we go a radius. Oops, not redirectory. Radius. I cannot spell. Oh no. There we go. Easy peasy. Although it's broken now. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, this does not need to be usable. Nice. What's wrong on this? Closure may outlive it. Let radius equal radius. Does this fix it? It does not fix it. Closure may outlive the current function, but it borrows radius, which is owned by the current function. I thought F32 had copy. And clone doesn't fix it either. Curious and curiouser. Wait, this whole thing is just inside world, right? What did I do? I should just put this inside the world thing and then it doesn't matter. Yeah, okay, there we go. Done, finished, fixed. It's not moving though. What the? Is our linear velocity too small? What's going on? Do I need to restart it? Yeah, I have a pull request on my repo. First update is the dependencies to latest version rewrite some of the WebSocket code to be compatible with the latest tungstenite. The second commit applies very clippy lints. There are some more about boxing data types, but that would change the API in a significant way. Oh shit, look at all these updates. Nice. Okay. Okay, let's prog. Mm, mm, mm. Wait, what's going on here? Oh, from into from. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so this is going to break the Godot. I'm gonna have to fix the Godot if it's not here. Uh, they did the proper two-string thing. Oh my god, nice, nice. That's the same proper two strings. Nice. Wait, they removed so they with. It's probably left behind. What is this? Fragment type into from. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to verify this works with oh, matches. Oh, that's cool. Oh yeah, the tungstenite stuff. So they made it question mark. Honestly, okay, fair. Fair. They made minimal HTML to P. Oh, they removed mutable. That's fine. This code is commented out, I think. Question mark again. Redirected. Wait, why? Do we not need redirected anymore? Can I view the code? Cancel. New file. Was this line 599? 599. Redirected. If redirected is greater than 0. What are we doing here? So redirected plus equal 1. Stream read the stream output this one. Can I? Where's my actual version? So go to source lib 599. Oh, it's commented out anyway. Just that. Wait, I'm on the wrong thing here. Go to main. This one. Source. Library. $5.99. Redirect is 0. Oh, I don't use it. Okay, I don't use it. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. That's all right. Question marks. That's fine. Okay. Oh, we don't have to into it anymore. That's cool. So this IDX is the same, but we don't need the into anymore. Nice. If let turns into because I don't use the error. Is error smart? Uppercase acronyms. Oh, because of the clippy warning. Yep, that's fine. For emote in the emote, if let some emote into it next. Oh, because we're just returning the emote. I think. BTTV. Oh, where is this? Source modules, BTTV. Source modules, BTTV. Yeah, okay, so we iterate over all the emotes, but we return the first one? What is emote? Emote.append. Man, this whole emote system, complicated. Not good. What am I even doing here? So emote equals response channel emotes, and this is response from shared emotes. Oh, so we have all of the emotes. And we're filtering it by the code, so we want it either here or here. Right, and then if we do have one, then we return it. Okay, so this is fine. Did this just get formatted better? It looks like it. Although why is there a new line? Source module consts. V file. Okay, it's fine. It is all good. Allow dead code. Oh, it's empty. Oh my god, Poggies. Too many arguments. Oh yeah, this thing, that's fine. And we have a if let sum here, and it turned into a while let sum. This is wrong. Modules event sub, which is 148. Okay, so I loop over it until the receive timeout it fails, and then we get out of the loop. Okay, and they're proposing while let messages from IRC. Messages from IRC. Oh, is this a channel? Messages from IC is sum of 1. Receive messages. If let sum Yeah, because it's either there or not there. This is... This is wrong. I think this needs to be... This is wrong. Because the IRC... What does the IRC send us? So, client read block, blah, blah, blah. Because we want to return everything from IRC receiver. So if we find this... messages from IRC, sorry. This one is receive messages. IRC threat. Okay, IRC bot. Because like when do we send them back a message? New receive message. Send networks. Wait, what do we... What was the function we call here? IRC thread. IRC thread is a loop over IRC messages, and when we get an IRC message, we send it back. We send it back? And so, yo, Noah, hello. It's way too late for you? That's okay. Usually I start in like 3 hours and then I go for 4 to 8 hours depending on the day and time. And I started extra early today, so if I go long, I might see you when you wake up, maybe. Who knows? That's fair. I hope you have a good sleep. So how does this work? So receive message is what we're calling here. If we have a message, we send it here, right? Oh, right. This is always some. It's just in the case where it dies, it's no longer alive, and so if we don't have anything here, it just breaks. Oh yeah, this is fine. This is fine. It should be fine, I believe. Are we using toString and asString instead of references and cloning? I'm just gonna say consistency, consistency. Can I move this? Can I draft this? If I go cancel, okay. So this and line 187. So consistency. This plus line 187 and probably the others. Sending identical, using the same response message dot xxx, but Some of them are .to_str and others are .to_string. Please unify them. Do I consistency, this line plus line 187 and play a few others using the same raw response message .xxx function. But some are .toString and others are .toString. Please unify them. TY. Start review. Wait, what's going on here? So we're matching the messages. It's either Twitch chat message. Is it only that? Okay, here, yeah, it's only that. It must be only that because we delete the underscore. Yeah, we do. Yeah, so it becomes a if let Twitch message chat message. The rest of this is fine. New fragment being kind lowercase. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Dot into network message pong back new dot into. Does it need dot into? Oh, for the new, yeah, okay, that's fine. From reference string IRC message. Okay, this is an interesting change right here, because what's been done is from it's no longer from just a string, but it's from a reference string, which is fine, but what does that mean? Wait, what happened to IRC client read? Oh, it's here. Oh, nice. Okay, that's fine. That's good then. Although this doesn't break. Can I view file, please? What line is it? 126. Oh, I didn't. 126. Well, welcome is not received. Okay, yep, that's fine. Can we see that in there? Yeah, we can. Wait, where's the read though? Oh, the read's here. Yeah, they just matched it. Okay, nice. Pog. What about this IRC from message though? Text. So these are intos instead of two owns. And we have as string here and as str there. Why? It's more. It's more. Hang on, let's have a look. So what exactly is it? IRC message from string. So where do we use this from? As string. So here we're returning some, and then this one is none. Oh, we do none anyway. Okay, I'm gonna have to question this. How come we are changing from string or IRC message to and string or IRC message if we are just going to have to come from string and make it as string. Okay, so how come changing? How come? What is the reason behind changing? Can I do code blocks? To if we are just going to have to if we're just going to have tech if we have text as a string already, and with this change we have to additionally call as str along with we now have more as str and intos than we previously had. Does that make sense? That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. If the text variable variable is already a string with this from change we have to discard along with now that we now have more dot as str and intos. We now have more. We now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot as str and intos that are replacing 2.2 owned. Let's see. So with this change, with this from change, we just call as st. We have additional. We have. We now have we now have 5 additional function calls as string that are replacing 2.2 owned. This right? Yeah, what is the changing to that? If the text variable in the end is already a string, with this from change, we now have 5 additional function calls to add string as into that is replacing only two own calls. Yeah, I think this is fine. I think this is fine. There was something I saw just before that I was like, yo, I should have a look, another think about that. This one. Rust and verse as str. Okay, it's more explicit. Okay, as str is fine. That is fine. That's okay. IRC message, we have this. That's okay. What is this? Okay, that's just positive. Using format, message, send message.into. Oh, this might be where it is. Well, that's into. We're doing from. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, nice. What changed here? Oh, it's just an else if instead of this. Okay, that's fine. All right. All right, from toString to display, perfect. Very cool. Okay. Thank you for all of these changes. Once these two reviews are resolved. Hey Fizzbuzz, hello. Look, I'm doing pull request things. Oh my god, I have code. I had to code review them and be like, yo, what's going on here? I think once these two are resolved, I will need to verify that none of this breaks the Godot build. Otherwise, excellent work. Wait. Okay, once these two reviews are resolved, I'll need to verify that none of this breaks the Godot build functionality. Otherwise, excellent work. Thank you. Pog. Comment. Awesome. Very pog. Very pog. Okay, we can get back to the FIMSHs now. Boop. FIMSHs. All right, it's not moving. The FIMSHs aren't moving. Oh no. Unmoving FIMSH. What am I forgetting? We gave her a rigid body. We gave her linear velocity. We gave her a collider. Is there really something else we need? Yo, it's not opening the FIMSHs. Did you see that though? 8 seconds for a full bevy bit. Holy. So fast. 5 seconds. Wow. Wow. It's not opening. Wait, where's my window? Where's my FIMSH window? What the? Hello? Did I break it? Where am I going? Cargo clean. Oh shit, it's a big one. 8 gigabytes? Sheesh. Okay, now it has to do a full rebuild. This will be more than 8 seconds, sadly. Although it looks like it won't be too many seconds. Hello, Luna. Hi. Yo, excellent changes and updates. Thank you. I appreciate it a lot. I am. And like most of the builds are like, oh, I'm lagging now. Oh no. Most of the builds are like 3 seconds, so it's not too bad. But now it's like I cargo cleaned it because it wasn't opening the window. But yeah. Lagging. I'm using Tarui as well for the death. What's Tarui? What is Tarui? Tarui. Tarui. Oh. I still don't know what Tarui is. Powered by Rust. Front end independent. Front end independent. What the? It's like Electron, but the bit that interacts with the OS is Rust. Oh, I see. Yeah, the window doesn't create itself. I broke it. Oh, you know what it is? Is this plugin? It can't be the plugin though, can it? Because I did this interpolate all plugin and then it's not opening anymore. Why am I still encoding overloaded? Oh, cargo check is running. Oh no. Oh, we have so much lag. Look at all that lag. Oh no. Cargo check, don't delete the stream. Am I dumb? Like, am I not finding the window? Well, it's taking its time. Oh, gameplay FIMSH in the background. There's a plugin that lets you use it in Bevy. Oh, yo, that's cool. Oh, the game opened. Yes. But the ball did not do the colliding. Okay, so FIMSH. We did add standard FIMSH behavior, and then in behavior this thing. So here we'll go print standard FIMSH behavior added, adding the observer. Save. Oh right, it probably doesn't doesn't really like update it. Wait, how do we FIMSH's? Well, it is moving. That's good. But this is not triggering. Area. We do have the plugin, right? Yeah, we do. And then barriers. Oh wait, did I add it as a thing? Hang on. Standard FIMSH. Yeah, I did. I don't know if that works though. Maybe it doesn't work. Although I can't help but notice. Wait, so does it actually break when we put the physics interpolation plugin thing? Whoa. Didn't know like that at all. It was already added. Oh, in the physics plugin one. Oh, nice. Wait, so it's already part of this. Nice. Okay. We're not getting any. This is not happening. What's the log function? How do we log stuff? I forgot. It's like this. Oh, it would be dot. It would just be info though. It would be info, and I have to restart it. I think. 5 seconds, bulk. Uh, yeah, it doesn't show up. Is it because this is inside here? Or I put it outside of the hot patch thing? Barriers plugin, that's correct. Primary camera created. Oh, does this not run either? Hang on, does neither of the observers run? Barriers created. I don't have the repo open anymore. Is it sub-second? I thought they said they must sub-second. Repo. Examples. What? We're looking for observers. Oh, this is deoxys. This is not what we want. How do I find it again? It's like rust is like fly. Subsecond. I don't remember what it's called. It's like fly something. Uh-oh. Wait, it'll tell me in my cargo toml, right? Very simple sub-second system. Then we have this. Yeah, I did find it. Okay, cool. Examples. Observers. Maybe I do have to put hot on them. What? Behavior. What? We move this back inside. Save. And save. Oh, I failed. Uh-oh. Import. Import. Nice. Oh, did I close it again? I did. I press R. R is how we reopen it. Wait, I'm confused. Why are these not working? So, do I have to turn on collisions? Is that a thing? I'm pretty sure I don't have to give them collision for layers if I'm not doing anything fancy, right? Collision events. Books. Contact types. Collider. Oh. Oh, this is under the source. I don't want to look at the source. I mean, I could, but like, um, mm, movement, gravity, mass properties, linear, angular, lock, dominance, continuous. Wait, so what's going on? It's just not like this. Entity, observe, play standard, FIMSH behavior. And then this triggers on collision start. That's fine. But this is never called, so this is add observer. That's good. This is behavior. We do start the behaviors. Okay, that's fine. The FIMSHs, it has FIMSH, it has standard FIMSH behavior. It has things where we insert standard FIMSH behavior, and then this is on add standard FIMSH behavior. Wait, what? Do I have to build the project? So yeah, let's just go get overlay v2 cargo build minus J4. Like, what's going on here? Why is my encoder permanently overloaded? Wait, even a J4 compile overloads my stream. J2 compile it is. What do? What's today? Oh, it's Saturday. When do the shops close? When do the shops close? Woolworths. Woolworths. What? They're only until like 7. It's a Saturday. Until 7. Oh no, only 7. It's currently 4, I guess. Well, that puts a time limit on the on the stream, I guess, unless I leave stream on while I BRB. Oh, apparently it's raining. Is it raining? It is not raining. It lied to me. It lied to me. Pain. So I'm just making sure I don't have any missed messages. That's fine. Oh yeah, right. What's going on here? Because we're adding. Is it on insert? Maybe will on insert just kind of like work better? It should be the same. It didn't print anything else. Wait, does it print it out at all? If I just go like, do I have an update function? So barrier. Oh, we have a setup function. Well, that doesn't do anything. Wait, does the FIMSH do the hot reload setup? It does. It does. So if I go info spawn in FIMSH, Hello, Mort TV. Hi. O to open. For some reason, O makes it rebuild. I don't know why. What? You know, this other one finished. So if I just can't go run it, do we have any print lines? We don't have any print lines. Oh, spawning FIMSH. It is here. But like it's not here. It doesn't output it once it afterwards. Maybe I have to do the verbose thing. Verbose. Oh. Alright, it's doing verbose. Huh, 7 seconds. Holy. Yeah, there we go. Spawning FIMSH. Okay, so it does spawn the FIMSH, right? Wait, what's this? Schedule pre-updated was inserted or its value has been overridden. Wait, do I need to do this command worlds thing? Because if we have meshes, so meshes, materials, and here this is just meshes add, materials add, save. This is commands. Oh, it closed itself. Oh, okay, it still works. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, we got rid of the warning, which is good. But we still have the problem of we're not we spawned the FIMSH, but then the other observer does not go anymore. Or like ever, it's never gone. On add of primary camera setup. Oh, with hot patch. We do that, yeah. App and lots. We'll get rid of greet. We don't need greet anymore. What's wrong with this? Expected brackets found. Oh, we need a semicolon. Semicolon. We're not returning map. We're just borrowing it briefly. The rest of this is fine, so we close this. Run again. I want to look at the interpolation stuff again. Which one's what is it by default? Interpolation? Physics interpolation plugin. Okay, interpolation. What does it mean? Interpolation is the one I'm most familiar with. I don't know what extrapolation means though. Okay, interpolation computes a transform that is somewhere in between current and the position from the previous physics tick. This produces smooth and accurate movement. Downside of interpolation is that it causes render to be slightly behind than the physics simulation. This can make movement feel slightly delayed, but this is rarely noticeable unless using a very small physics tick. Oh, that's a good one because we don't have input. Extrapolation computes a transform that is somewhere between the current position and future position predicted based on the velocity. This produces movement that looks smooth and feels responsive. Downside is it can be less accurate. When the prediction is wrong, the rendered positions may jump to incorrect. Yeah, okay. We definitely want interpolation. This is included in physics plugin by default. Most apps don't need to add it manually. Transform interpolation and extrapolations can be enabled for individual entities using this interpolation and extrapolation components, respectively. Oh, any changes made to the transform on the entity, that's fine. Transform properties can also be interpolated individually by adding those separately to entities, that's fine. You want all rigid bodies to be interpolated or extrapolated by default. Yeah, okay, this is what I want. So this is what I want. Copy. Physics plugin and go paste. And we have to restart this. I don't know if we have to restart it or just tell it to rebuild. Very nice. What's next? What is next? So we have spawning FIMSH here, but then it doesn't do anything at all. Okay. So standard FIMSH behavior. Over here, we have trigger on add standard FIMSH behavior. And this is a function that is app.addObserver. Nice. And it should say all of this and then add this trigger to the FIMSH itself, which actually makes it do the bouncing. And so we rebuild. It doesn't get triggered. Wait, what's this? Okay, what if we put this as just a normal app thing instead of a hot one? App found observer. Oh, it didn't. I did add it. Okay, so it was because the observer was a hot thing. Okay, nice. Behaviors standard FIMSH behavior adding the observer, which is this thing, and then this would be info FIMSH hits and objects save. Doesn't do anything. Maybe observers just can't be hot. I mean, I guess technically that one wasn't technically hot. Okay. Maybe I... Wait, we should have the barriers. The barriers... Oh, right. This has the same problem. So that needs to be added as a permanent thing instead of just a... Yeah. All right. Let's go again. We worked out the bugs. The bugs have been worked out. Observers do not go well. Mm. Do I need to full reset it? I might need to full reset it. Okay. So now we're just not getting that it collided with anything. FIMSH behavior. So like if I was to... What does get hot loaded? I guess this does. If we had to like make this become wet and get rid of this and then we run it again, does it redo? Yeah, adding observer, that's fine then. So it does add the observer. Yuki, hello. It does add the observer, but then it doesn't collide with anything at all. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, did we make the barriers? Are we done? No, we have the barriers. They're right here. Well, this one, the top one, oh my god. The top barrier does not have the static collider. Has that been my problem all along? No. Nope. What about just once? Wait, what was their example print line? I don't have it anymore. Ancient object. Okay, so half space stuff is not working. Why would that be? Colliders. What did I have to say about half space? Because I remember working with these, and maybe I have it the wrong way around. And a shape is defined by the outward normal of its planar boundary. Half space is either of the two parts into which a plane divides the three-dimensional Euclidean space. Yeah, if the space is two-dimensional, it's called a half plane. Yeah, that's what I thought. So yeah, what the hello, hi, hello. Oh, thank you for the raid. What were you up to? Narrow Patty. Hi. Oh, you're making a voxel game, maybe? That was 7 days ago. Hello. Thank you for the raid. Oh, nothing got done. It was so unproductive. You're doing a co-op stream. Ah, that's be fun. Yeah, if it was fun. Wait, I didn't. Yeah, if it was fun, then that's all right, right? Surely, Surely that's all that matters at the end of the day. Outward normal. Maybe I have it the wrong way around. Maybe my understanding of this outward normal is the outward normal is what you bounce off of. So it's like a one-way plane, and I have them all facing outwards currently. First time co-streaming with someone? Nice.
Money.
Bunny. Yeah. How many hours? Asterton's getting a bunny today. It's very close. Holy. How many hours? Also, good morning. Good morning, Asterton. You know how about? All good. Thank you for the raid again. The stream's not using Windows. What do you mean? Here's a window. Here's another window. Here. Yeah. I don't think is that like yeah, I don't know. Wait, no comment. Okay, so yeah, okay, if we presume I have the barrier half planes or wrong way around, we just go away. We just swap these, so -1 becomes 1. Same here. Oh wait, I did the bottom two, and these positive ones become -1s because they're just normals. They're just normals on a plane. So hopefully this bounces now. No, it did not collide. Oh, do we have to tell FIMSH? Oh, dynamic. No, we don't want dynamic. It's rigid, right? Kinematic. No, it is dynamic. How is the cutie straight? What the? Oh, thank you for watering me, Yuki. Yeah, I'm gonna get my water out of the fridge. I mean, I may have to be being in an hour or so to get some more like tonic water and some soda water. I ran out in like 9-10 hours. Oh, fuck. Wait 1 second. Fruit juice? Something like that. I forgot about my tea. Oh no. Oh no, my tea is now 2 hours and 10 minutes old. Problematic. Is a cold tea. It's at least tasty. It's a tasty tea. Holy. Okay, so I think my next guess is that I have to tell them that they can collide with each other. My FIMSH and the walls we've made, but I don't know. Tasty. Yeah, something like that. Tasty. It's either that or I've seriously messed up where the top and bottom are. Because like maybe what is size? Maybe local viewport size is wrong. No, it can't be. Oh wait, you should be printing out barriers created. Did that happen? Can I rebuild it? Can I rebuild it? This is the Z editor. Yeah, barriers created. Nice. Okay. And we added the collision behavior. Nice to the FIMSHs. Wait, just so I'm not crazy. If we come into here and we go add systems, update, check collision, save, here we'll go fn check collision. And this will be a event reader of collisions. Event reader. Is it just collisions? I don't remember. No. What was their example? Collider of, collider compound. Okay, we have the example here. Collision events. Collision event enabled. Mark a component that enables collision events for the entity. Oh! Is this what I'm missing? Collision events enabled? Oh no, don't tell me. Don't tell me. Collision events enabled. Yeah, look at that. Enables both buffered collision style. Oh my god. Okay. We solved the problem. Okay, let me just save this. Head back to FIMSH. Yeah, I'll just add it here for now. So collision events enabled. Save. And close the game again. I have to reopen it. I really need to stop closing the game now that we have this hot loading thing. Okay. That was disappointing. Wait, I flipped the colliders. Maybe the barriers were correct, and I psyched myself out. Okay, let's try that. I closed the game again. Oh my god. Someone should tell me to stop closing the game. It needs to stay open. We're basically doing web dev. Yeah, why did it start up there? Did it collide with anything? No. Maybe I do need this check collision because I'm skeptical now. Because collision is enabled for this one. Enables collision events for enemy. This enables both a buffered collision start as well as the observable on collision start. Am I listening for the wrong on collision start? No, it is the correct collision event. FIMSH hid object. Spawning FIMSH berries. Okay, what if we tell the FIMSH to go to the right instead of up? Pretty sure that's not how that works. If I make that X 300, wait, why is it going up? The linear velocity of the FIMSH. Wait. If I tell it to rebuild, is this setup not hot relatable? Yeah. Okay, so we didn't get on a collision start. Okay, am I missing something else? On the collision start. Collision event is triggered for observers when two colliders start touching. This event is only triggered if the target entity has collision events enabled component. Unlike collision start, this event cannot be read using event reader. Instead, the observer makes it good for entity specific collision things. Okay, so pressure plate, collider, rectangle, sensor. Oh, sensor! Oh my god. Yeah, I've forgotten so much about collisions. I really should have just like properly looked at I have to rebuild it. My previous collision things. I would have known this. Because I'm pretty sure this allows it to receive events. A component that marks the collider as a sensor, also known as a trigger. Since the colliders send collision events and register intersections but allow other bodies to pass through them. Maybe not then. No, this is wrong. I was wrong. Where did my... Is it not going to reopen it? I wonder what the stream delay is. Like the build is only 8 seconds, but it's like yeah, I don't know. Let's have a look at owl overlay. So these have rigid body static, collider. They do have physics layers. But that should be fine, right? Collision layers. Maybe I do just need to put them on the same collision layers. Where is FIMSH? FIMSH food? Oh wait, no, it would be under food. Because this is where we create the food. Yeah, so dynamic, collider density, restitution, collision margin. Oh, this is a good one. Collision margin and sleeping. Both of these are good. Maybe I do need physics layer. Collision layer? Collision layer. I'm pretty sure we might need collision layer. Okay, so FIMSHs. I'm going to just put this on. Collision margin and sleeping. Same as the other one. Barriers. Actually, barriers shouldn't need it. Okay. Collision. Which one should be the right side? Top barrier, this should be one. Here we go, collision layers. Why do I not have a linter? Collision layers. A layer mask. No, this is the default layer. Defaults. And then the FIMSH paste. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. Because hopefully it will bounce. It did not bounce. Let's just go check collisions. FM check collisions. Yeah, mut collisions. Event reader. Collision started. For collision in collisions.read. We'll go on. Actually, we can go info. Collision. That's a big space there. And here we just go to collision, save, and then we go again. Wow, this ball just doesn't want to collide. It just doesn't happen. It doesn't happen. Static. So everybody's not affected by forces, collisions, or velocity. They act as if they have infinite mass and Remember inertia, the only way to move static body is to manually change it. Collisions with static bodies will affect dynamic bodies, but not other static. That's fine. Static bodies typically use things like ground walls and okay, that's fine. That's correct. Maybe -1 in the x direction for half space. Maybe I should just use something that's not half space. Maybe my problem is I don't know how far half space. Outward normal. Okay, let's try something new. Let's try something new. We go, actually, yeah. So we put the transform on the right side of the screen, which is what we're doing here. Now that you can see. It's on the right side of the screen. And then here we go collider, rectangle maybe? Polyline, rectangle. The length, let's go like 50 length and then like, I don't know, 1080 heights. And then this should be like the whole up and down. Yeah. I mean, I guess we could also visualize it at this point. Because, like, half space is kind of hard to visualize in terms of actual graphics. Nothing. Nothing at all. Okay. Mesh. This will be meshes.add. And we'll do some stuff there. And we'll also have material. And then materials.add. Okay, so we'll let rectangle rectangles rectangle length from size new, yeah, from width and height. So what do we do? 50 and 1080. I should probably make these into variables so they're the same. Oh well. This is now rects, and then the materials will be color material, I believe. We'll just go from color and we'll just go like red 300. Save. Okay. It doesn't know what materials and meshes are, so we'll just import that in here, which we will yoink from the FIMSH. Yeah. Copy, paste, save. And then this is mesh material, my bad. This may need to be a .mt. Wait, rectangle might be the wrong type. What's the actual error? Mesh material 2D. Did I forget how this works? Oh, mesh 2D. Okay, mesh 2D and mesh material 2D. Save. I closed the game. I closed the game. Ooh. You know what? Cold tea is not that bad. Okay. So currently we cannot see it. Wait, why can we not see it? Did it get spawned? Quick camera. Oh, maybe this fails. Oh my god. Does this fail? Wait a second. Maybe build it. Okay, what am I looking at? Barriers created, spawning FIMSH, adding observer. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that works. Unless it didn't fully rebuild. Maybe it didn't fully rebuild. Well, I'm skeptical. If the other build process wasn't so long, I would not be putting up with these places where sometimes it's fine and sometimes it is not fine. Okay, what's going on? So, oh yeah, here barriers failed to be created. Spawning FIMSH. All right, okay, we found the problem. We found the problem. So maybe these half space things do work, but okay, camera. Is this just happening too early? This might be happening too early. Primary camera created. Oh, do we not reset this? No, it should be resetting. Hot patching. Pinch feeding. I think what's happening is that it's triggering it too early and it doesn't have the viewport yet. Logical target size. Logical target size. What's the specifics on this? Okay, it's also optional. It doesn't say why. What about something that's never none? Viewport. Why am I getting these weird things? Okay. Let me say camera dot order output mode physical target size. These are all sums. I guess it doesn't always know what it is. Logical. Oh, that's not what we want. We don't want too logical. Do I just make this an event now instead of like that's the only way I can think of it is what I do. Maybe what I do is okay. Instead of this, maybe this is the wrong way to go about it. What if this is just set up? What if I just make this set up and it's like with no trigger, but we still need the camera. Okay, here, let me undo it because I'll still need the variable information size. But there's no trigger. We still need camera. We still need these. And then this is create barriers, or let's just call it setup because we're in the barrier thing. We already have the setup thing here. We removed the observer. I don't think we have. Yeah, the other setup is not doing anything. We save this. I'm gonna believe what we did originally works. So we'll remove everything about the visualization and making it a rectangle. We can just add that in later if we want. This, we don't need to trigger this anymore. This will be I guess it will be a query of a camera. And then this will be with a primary camera. Then here we go for camera in camera, I guess. Save. And then we don't want this. Say, apparently we don't use materials or meshes. Okay, with those changes, I do need to restart it. Then we should be off to the races. Well, we don't want to be that, but we can actually focus on the behavior because like I want the FIMSH to like, it didn't work. It didn't work. FIMSH behavior. Wait, where's the rest of the print line? It's compiling. Adjective observer, that's fine. Spawning FIMSH, yes. We never call setup. We never call setup. Wait, what we will do actually. Wait. Wait, so the simple problem we have is that when the application starts, it's trying to do absolutely everything right at the beginning. That's fine, except for we need some things to like be concluded before it starts making like barriers and stuff. So I think what we do, maybe we just wait for a key press, and then when we do a key press, it spawns a FIMSH, and maybe a different key press spawns the barriers, maybe. Because like the barriers didn't even print anything out though. They should have printed out something. Oh, they won't because the camera just doesn't exist. How do I fix that then? Do I want to start using states already? I think what we want is actually maybe we okay. What we will do, okay, we'll make it more how it should be in the future. So they require probably a rigid body. I've forgotten how we set the default here. Static. This won't compile. Oh, it does compile. It requires rigid body. It requires a collider and also a transform. Transform. Okay, so then that's fine. Because okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of this setup function. Save. Yeah, we'll get rid of that too. Save. Behavior. Okay, FIMSH. What we want to do is create a derive component, no, event pub struct spawn FIMSH. And I think for now we'll just give a location, right? It just has a location. Oh, and a velocity. So so we give it a position, we give it a velocity. Maybe this is where behaviors should become an enum, or like y. Because then when we create a FIMSH, we can give it behavior. Anyway, we'll just leave it like this: position, velocity, and size. Yeah, let's go with size. Size F32. Save. So instead of this, we'll still keep setup, I think. Oh yeah, let's adopt this. So actually, so we go here, fn setup, and then this becomes spawn FIMSH, and then this is a trigger of spawn FIMSH. We want commands. We might want commands. Spawning FIMSH. The radius is just trigger dot size. Yeah, we don't need to defend set that like that anymore. Oh, there's also color. We'll leave that later. Because we'll need to do color a different way anyway. And then here, this becomes, instead of 50-50, this becomes trigger dot position extended to 3D. And then the velocity, this is the same. So trigger dot velocity. And the rest of this stays the same, and we just save that. Okay, that's spawning FIMSH. Here we go, app.add observer, spawn FIMSH. Actually, if we just like do this, it's fine too. Okay, there we go. We have control of spawning a FIMSH. Setup. I don't think we do anything with setup. Hello, Asriel. Actually, setup, what we do is we will do nothing. We'll do nothing. Barriers, we need basically the same thing, but I think derive component obstruct spawn barrier. This one will take in a handle of mesh maybe, or do we just take in collider? Let's just take in collider for now. This will have to change later. But we just take in a collider. Maybe it's fine. So here we go. Add observer, spawn barrier, fn spawn barrier, trigger, spawn barrier, and then we will need these, I think. Actually, we don't need meshes, we just need commands then, just commands. Commands. Oh, wait, this also needs a position. But like, what's better? We just add position ourselves? Because like if we just add well, like barrier still requires transform. Wait, that's fine. Because I think what we do here is we just go mans dot spawn here barrier, followed by trigger.0, followed by, that might be it. Is that all we needed? Oh, rigid body static. We already have that though. That's already being added. Nice. And then trigger. Oh, this needs a semicolon. Save. Wait, what's wrong with this? Oh, this is an event. Cannot spawn out of collider. Do I need to clone the collider? I do. Okay, so if that's fine, then we have FIMSH, which doesn't have a setup, but we do have spawn FIMSH. Okay, and then, okay, so we have all of these bits and pieces and a behavior, which is for FIMSH hitting the wall. But then we have a new thing called like scene. Scene? Is that going to be good? Like, it's going to be like levels. It's going to be like what is the layout of the overlay and where things spawn and how they spawn. Maybe layout might be more clear. Layout.rs. Use bevy elude star pub super fn plugin app and not app. And then here we go with bot reload stuff. So here we go mod layout, layout plugin. There's a bevy scene module, you think? I mean, that's for GLTF stuff. With hot patch app and not app. And here we will have a, will it be a setup? Will be like pub struct spawn layout derive event. Oh wait, this would be an observer. I wonder if we can add this observer. Having this observer here will be fine. Spawn layout. And then here we go. FN spawn layout. And then this is a trigger of a trigger. We'll also put hot here just in case, but I don't think we actually need it there. Spawn layout. As far as you know, bevy scenes are entities and components that can spawn all at once. Let's have a look. XRS bevy scene world. A composition of world objects. To spawn a scene, you can either use scene spawner spawn, adding the scene root component to an entity. The world of the scene containing its entity and resources. Scene new, you pass in world. Create a new scene given the world. What's a dynamic scene? Resources, entity, dynamic entities. Do they have examples of this? Examples. There we go. Scene RS. Register component A, B, resource A, setup, save scene, load scene, info text system, component A, component B. Oh, so this is how they go about saving scenes and loading scenes. It is not what we want though. It is cool though. Could be useful. It might be what we want, but I don't think so. I don't believe so. Well, it would be, but we'd have to write this thing to spawn it anyway and then save it and then load it up from there. I just wouldn't need the code for spawning it anymore. But then if I wanted to change it, I would have to yeah, spawn layout, yes. So this is where we need commands. Commands. Spawn layout, that's fine. Yeah, okay. So this is where what are we doing? We're spawning the walls. So we do need the camera. So we go camera, which is a query of camera with primary camera. And then we'll just do this for all cameras, all primary cameras, so it's fine. So we go camera dot size. It is not size. Why is it not auto? No suggestions. No. Where's my linter is dead. FIMSH. Oh, this needs to be a reference. Never mind. Never mind. Oh yeah, there we go. So what do we actually want from this? Why is my linter still dead? Oh my god.
The queue just sat and declares.
What did you declare?
What did you declare?
What the? Yo, where's my linter? I need my little suggestion thing. Oh no, my days of no lintage. I've been ruined. I used to be able to do it all lintless, suggestionless. If set camera render is active, computed, target, output mode. When in physical balance, you rect of the camera. If the viewport field is set some, this rect will be the custom. Okay, physical viewport rect. Physical viewport rect. Else, just continue. This is lit size equal to that. So then we go back to barriers. We yoink this, go back to layout, paste this. What is a UREC anyway? Yo, why is my linter not working for layout? I need my linter. I am importing it. I am. Close layout, reopen layout. What fields are there? Yeah, I'm just gonna close Z. Fuck it. Z is clearly breaking. What the? Do I need to change to like Helix? Yo. I am pretty jealous of Aston right now. Holy. I was watching bunny videos and I'm like, what the? How is that even gonna be possible? Wait, it should give me suggestions now? Wait, why is it broken? Yo, do we just get Helix? Helix, source, layout. And here we go. Size dot. Is my previous like command too confusing? Does this not work? If how does this usually work? You know what? Fuck it. I'll just do it the normal way. I'll just do it the normal, non-fancy way. Wait, what am I even editing here? Delete whatever that file is. Yeah, okay, let's just do it the normal way. For real this time instead of it inside a weird file. Size dot. Yo, what the? What is wrong with my editor? Rect? No, you wrecked. You wrecked. Minimum and maximum. Logical. Let's just do logical viewport size because that seems to be the only one that doesn't break. Logical viewport size. If that's certain size, this would be. I don't know what it used to be. Yeah, why is this being difficult? Save. Okay, it's fine now. What if I do the lit else thing? This is like continue. And then I get rid of this. Oh, now it works. Okay, it was just that little thing. Wait, does that mean I can do size dot and it'll like auto complete it? No, there's no suggestions. Okay. Okay, whatever. More suggestionless. Yeah, whatever update that was in Z, they had a regression. Holy. Hello, Zai. Welcome in. Or is it Zell? Might be Zell. Oh yeah, this is where we need to put all of the barriers. So here we go. Oh wait, the barriers don't work like this. Trigger spawn barrier, right. So we're triggering it. It does need, okay, yeah. We do need to give it a location. So here we go, collider. Position. Is that all? That might be all for now. Then here, this is collider. And then this one's also transform from translation vector, no, trigger dot position dot extend 0. This one will be a clone. Okay, cool. Cool. Layout. Commands dot trigger spawn barrier position followed by collider. So the position will be like top, and then the collider will be collider half space vector to new. Now top, so the outwards vector is 1. Can I do trigger entities on this? I might be able to do trigger entities on this. Oh wait, no, I can't because they're not entities. Oh. We don't need the position. So if I remove the position here, we'll keep the collider thing for clarity. What we can do is we go here and we go let mut barriers is equal to, and then we have an array here, and then this will be trigger targets, and it will be oh wait, they're all gonna need different colliders.
Wow. Wow.
Because we can't apply the collider to all of them. They have to have their own colliders. Exactly. Gambustatin? It was. Oh, uh, okay, yeah, let's go with trigger targets, but it will be like spawn barrier is the event, and then the target will be commands. Oh, can I just do it in here? Commands dot spawn. There we go. Transform from translation. Then we pass in top, and then we go dot ID. Save. Commands. Do we not have commands? Oh, it's commands within commands. Oh, There's a way around this. What is it? It's like commands dot something. I put nothing there for now. Okay. So we go commands dot. There's a way to get like a reference. Yo, where's my linter? Yo, what the? I really broke it. Is it C++? No, it is Rust. Yo, what? Is it just this file? Is it just this file? If I come into here, do we have commands? We do. Commands dot. It is just that file. Reborrow. I think I can do that. Can I go dot reborrow? And then here we go. No. And I presume reborrow also doesn't work here. No. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Because we can just go let top barrier is equal to spawn top barrier.id, and then this will just be top barrier save. Did I forget a bracket? Spawn transform from translation top. I did forget bracket right here. Top extend just 0 for the z-axis. What's wrong with extend? Oh, sizes. Top is just the y. Okay. This is vector 3 then. You. Actually, I can go vector 3 like with vector 3 0 with y, and then I just go top. Maybe this is the most clear. I'm missing a bracket still. Yeah, okay. So that's one barrier, and then we get the rest of the barriers. So, we can't really make this simpler. Oh, that's okay. We don't need it to be simpler. So top barrier, right barrier. This one is with x of right. And the right barrier is +1 vector. Oops. +1 vector, x. And then this is right barrier. Yeah. And then we have bottom barrier. This is y with y with bottom barrier. Yeah, the linter is just destroyed for this file. I'm not sure why. And then this is the left barrier. Left. This is an x. Left is -1. I forgot to do the others. So left barrier. What is this? This is the bottom barrier. -1 for the bottom. Empty. The right barrier. That's fine. Okay. We're done layout. This is trigger spawning layout, which is fine. So I wonder, what was that plugin for bevy input? It's like extended input, enhanced input. Was it Leafwing? I don't think it was Leafwing. Oh, that's a big dumb FIMSH. Holy. New FIMSH, who's this? Hello, Mnemonic. Welcome in. What is pen cam? Oh, it's for panning the camera. Oh, Leafwing Input Manager is what Bevy's going to be using in the future. Oh, what is this? Maybe enhanced input. Is this the one? Leafwing input. Straightforward, robust input action manager for Bevy. Inputs various input sources collected into an action state. Add Leafwing. Okay, it is Leafwing input manager. Okay. But is that different to this? Oh yeah, Leafwing input manager is what we want because that's what Bevy will use in the future. So we might as well keep it with what the future will be. Okay, so this one, Leafwing input manager. Bevy 16. Okay, Leafwing input manager 17. Owlkaline dumb FIMSH. I don't have an emote for that yet. That could be funny though. That would be funny. Encoding. Oh yeah, there's how do we use this? Getting started. So we add an input manager with actions. Oh, so in this case, the action would be spawn FIMSH or spawn Barry. Well, we couldn't. We couldn't though. It would be like change layout. It would be like action would be make layout, I think. I think that's the only way this makes sense. Set layout. And then we come over to layouts. This copy. Set layout. And then we'll have like a default and other for now. Save action like what that mean. We have to import this as well as set layout, I think. Set layout. Set layout. Oh, pub. Okay, set layout. Component player, spawn player. Describes how to convert from player inputs into those actions. Input map. New action jump. Key code space. Command spawn input map insert player. Query the action state component in your game logic system. Okay, so the way this would work is under layouts. we'll have a setup. So add systems, startup, setup, fn setup, commands. This would be let input is equal to input system input. Is it system input? No, input map. Input map new bindings. Is that right? New? Yeah, new. So we will go set layout default is key code key 1, I guess. And then wait, is it like this all the way along? Oh, that's a tuple. This is a tuple. Okay. And then we'll also have set layout other to key code key 2. Is it key 1? One. Wait, where's my key? Where's my like? Where's all the keys? What the? Action state resource? Hmm. Maybe this is not what we need. Hmm. Yeah, maybe this is not what we need. I mean, it would be nice to have it like change layouts based on an input map, but it's not really what it does, right? Well, it is kinda. Where's my keys though? What the? Iterator A and then button like. Oh, so this would be button like
Rabbit.
bunny. Bunny. Leaf wing. Is this leaf wing? This is. Docs. Button like
Bunny.
bunny. Keycode, mouse button, gamepad button. Is it keycode? Oh, digit. Oh my god. Keycode, digit, 1, digit 2. Bunny. Yeah, this is not right because like oh, that's probably fine actually. We go commands dot spawn input, I guess. Is that it? We just go input. Hey, where's the example I was looking at? I was looking at an example, right? It's gone. It's gone. Input map, insert player, and then action state with player. Just pressed action jump. Okay, yeah. So is this a system? Yeah, it's an update. Okay, so here we go. Add system update. I can't remember. Like, what? Do I actually want this? I don't think I want this. I mean, I kind of do want it. But this is actually just a state. This is just a state. It's the layout state. Yeah, I think it's just the layout state. What is this setup? Because like these can set the layout, which is fine actually. Maybe it's fine. Well, like, uh, well, if it's, what if it's just a struct that holds? What if it's just a struct that holds layout? It might be fine like this. And then this is action link. And then this is set layout default. Yeah, okay. This is more like it. Layout other. Spawn input. Spawn layout. That's fine. Here we go. FN update input. And this will be, well, yeah, let's go insert, well, yeah, we just go, yeah, dot insert layout handler, I guess. That can just be an internal type struct. Layout handler, drive component. And then here in this update function, we have what they have here, which is a query, copy. Action state of set layout with layout handler. I should say just pressed. Instead of action, this is set layout, then layout defaults. And this one is the same, but now it's other. Yeah. Owlkaline yet? Not yet. I wish. Yeah, I saw a video of someone like shoveling snow and I was gonna post it, but it ended up being like a full ad for like some like, oh, I get paid more because I use this thing that allows me to invoice immediately instead of at the end of the week. And I'm like, what the? So I didn't post it anywhere. Otherwise, it was some good quality snow shoveling. I'm like, damn, that could be my job. Could be my job now. But no, well, we have the FIMSH-a-thon, and that is coming in June, like the first half of June. I should announce that this weekend, I hope, on Discord. And that will determine how comfy things will be for coming to the EU. And it should be good. Like, it should still be this year. It's just like, how comfy will it end up being? We'll see. We'll see. I'd be on vacation now, though. Yeah, I would. I would be. Apparently, it's really hot. Apparently, it's getting to like 30 degrees. I'm like, wow. I got to 30 degrees the other day, but now we're back to a little bit cold again. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Um, mm. Oh, what the? Oh, what was that? It hurt. Something like, it felt like a bite. Something just bit my nose. What the? 30, huh? Laughs in Nordic countries. Is it higher? Is it higher than that? Degrees Celsius? Oh, it's much lower. Nice. It was 12 this morning? Oh, hell yeah. Not the Australian bug. I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was something sharp on my like nail, but like it was a very, very strong and sudden pain. Like what the holy. Yeah, so here, this is where we actually change the state. So what's wrong with this? Oh, this would be import. So what's wrong with just pressed? Replace with match. Why? Oh. So I think what we do here is layout, and then here we go match layout, and then here we go layout defaults. Well, we don't even have to do that. We just go, we it's just super generic. We just go if it's pressed, we have states. So we go next state is next states. Do we put a stay here? No, this is just layout. And then this is a resource. And then this is immutable. And then here, next state dot set layout. Oh, it doesn't like this. It still doesn't like it. Replace match with an if. uh Sipping your morning coffee. Nice. Nice. Wait, this should be fine. Wait, layout defaults. No method name, just press from the enter result. This is a result. This is a signal. Wait, what do they do something weird here? No, it just doesn't. It doesn't compile. Whoops, unwrap it here. Wait, can I put layout here? No. No. Yeah. So layout defaults. Layout. It's not the best. It'll do, I think. Other. This one is other. Save. Okay, so spawn layout. This would be. This is a default layout, so we'll go spawn defaults layout, and this would be run. So this would be add systems. Spawn the spawn defaults layout. Run if wait ist Samstag. Today is Samstag. You're right. Samstag. Samstag. Trust me, you know what you're going on about. You do. You do. Guten Abend for me, but Guten Morgen. Yo, wait. Wait, I don't know how to ask a question. What the? I guess you don't really ask the question. You go, oh, I used to know that part actually. Uh, mm, 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 mm. Sorry, responding. I don't know if I should keep my keyboard or not. Hmm. Yep, don't know. Don't know. Run if. No, not run if. This would be on enter of layout default. Yeah, and then this doesn't have a trigger anymore. Z Vise S Nux Vise. Oh yeah, of course it's not. No, because Vise is to know or to become aware of, but S nicht is like not. She is not in the know. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Maybe you should leave the decryptions for a little bit so I can practice seeing if I understand it. Like probably just only until like after I've already seen it and then read it or attempted to read it. Because I don't think it needs to be that much delay, but sometimes it's spoilers and then I know what I'm looking for. And it's like, oh no. But maybe it's like flashcards and so well yeah, that's basically what I'm proposing, I guess. Twitch needs spoiler tags. Not only that, I'd need to implement it in my overlay so I could have it spoiler. It's true though. Um Okay, I'll enter this. Okay. What we do need to do is app dot it is like scoped, add scoped. Adds an event that is automatically cleaned up when leaving a specific scope. Oh, nice. Nice. Enable state scope entities for layout. Update input. Right, we also need to do update input here. So update input. Man, this is a lot of work for something pretty simple. And then here, what did I need to do here? All right, scoped entities. So these spawns insert state scoped. Is that right? No. Wait, how do I indicate the state scope? Well, implementing in your overlay is easier than convincing Twitch staff that this feature is necessary. True. Open rects. Uten links. Uten links. I don't know anything of that. Rects. Open. Uten links. Unten. No, it should be like state scope, no? Did I just fail? State scoped. Entities marked with this component. This is correct. Yeah, where's my... This is not a bundle. I need to add it in here. State script. No, what about? Did they change this? Entity this marks this component will be removed when the world state of the matching type no longer applies. Scoped entities. Here. No, layout. Scoped. State scoped entities. Wait, what was the thing? States and then scoped entities. This. States, scoped entities. Menu default commands spawn, state scoped, and then game state, in game. Oh, wait, okay. State scoped, layout default. Oh, I see. Oh, of course. Translation is on line 67 to 70. Oh shit. Yeah, I don't know my numbers at all. Sheesh. This one. This one. This one. Save. I haven't run this in a long time. Oh yeah, I think this is fine. Alright, with this we should spawn a lot of FIMSHs. So if we go commands.trigger spawn FIMSH. Do we give it a location? Oh, we give it position, velocity, and size. Okay. Spawn FIMSH. Position, velocity, size, 24. Vector 2 new. Let's go 50-50. The velocity, this one will go to the right. So we'll go like 50 velocity, 0 y. We'll have one go downwards, so this would be 0 and then minus 50. This one starts at the minus 50 mark and that's 0. Oh, there's something wrong with this. That's not good. This one will be going to the right, so we'll start it at x of 50. And the velocity is minus 50. And we'll go again. And this one's up, so just normal 50. See, okay, what's wrong with this? Oh, they're not public. Makes sense. Okay. Let's see how this goes. It might die. We're definitely not gonna have collisions because I don't know. Hopper members, something like that. Oh, big compile. Big compile time. Holy. Coffee time, let's go. Coffee. Cafe. Cafe jets. Jizits. Oh, I was told how you pronounce it, and I was like, oh, that's really easy. Jisits. Jisits. Cafe. Jisits. Or tea time if you prefer tea. Both are good. Both are good. Cafe sits. Jet sits. Yeah, exactly. Stimmt. Stimmt. What happened? Hmm. Oh, we don't have a scope. Um, we'll have none actually. None. That's what we'll start with. We'll just start at none. And then here, setup. Insert resource layout. None. Oh, I did not like that. The states have to be defined elsewhere, like added here. Add state. Or init state. Insert state. No, we should be able to insert state here. Commands dot insert hello dumb mocker. Welcome. You're gonna have bunny? You are gonna have bunny. Asterton's getting a bunny. Oh my god. Insane. Link. Oh man. I wanna see bunny. I would like to pat bunny. I like to watch bunny eat. Oh, I closed the game. Many videos. Let's go. I want all of them. Oh my god, all of the videos. Yo, what if? Yeah, all of the videos. Yo, it didn't run. Exciting. Oh shit, it broke. How did I break this? Event not initialized. Event reader state transition event. Is it just because we don't have it here? So insert states layer. Oh, what the? Thank you for watering me. Yo, I turned up. Oh, I can press 1 now. It didn't work. Pressing 1 didn't work. Why did it not work? I did put the input plugin. Yeah, I did. Set layout. Defaults. And then on the layouts, we have, yeah, keycode digit 1 default set layout. So here, well, we have on enter layer default, the spawn default layer. So this should work, right? Put one spawning default layout. And then I close the game. I don't think it's working. If we are actually, this is a print, right? Info, and this one will also be info. Checking set layout. Okay. Wait, so it's never returning true? Why not? Well, I do it enum. And then we do just go default and other. I might as well just make layer. I don't know. Hmm. Oh, it's got an error. Oh, I have too many close brackets. Semicolon? Are you right? Semicolon? It's still not working. It not working. This is running. We are wrapping it, but this actions thing doesn't work. Why? Input. Oh, is this wrong? No. I'm confused. Add the input manager bundle to your player entities. Player entity or entities. Oh, is that here? This is different to input map. Input map. FIMSH. Hello. Clear action. What? I don't understand how this works. Wait, input manager bundle. Maybe that is what we're missing. Insert input manager bundle. Expected value found struct. What do I fill the struct with though? I just go default. No. Type annotations needed. What kind? Action line. Okay. Set layout. What's wrong with this? Use of deprecated struct. Input manager bundle. Insert input map directly and optionally action state instead. We did that though, and it doesn't work. I don't understand. Do they have examples? Input processing? Maybe. Okay, input map, that's fine. Spawn with input map in this. We have a query action states. Action with player. Player not found. See, this one expects get pressed. Wait, what? Action state dot get pressed. Press this with data that. Add plugins. Action. We already did that, right? Main. Set layout. Yeah, input a manager plugin with set layout. That's fine. Okay, so get pressed. Action in action state get pressed. So here, if we go action state dot get pressed, if get pressed, then press the action. Oh, for action. So for action in this. We go if action equals that. If action equals that. Mm-mm. Oh. Mm. It doesn't work. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Oh man, I just wanted to make FIMSHs. So many steps. Such a scrub. Oh. Oh. Thank you. Yeah, I'm done. I am done. Wait, thank you everyone that came. Sadly it was not anywhere near as entertaining as I hoped. I thought we'd at least get like a few FIMSH doing things on screen, but we started with one FIMSH and now we have no FIMSH. Oh no. FIMSHless. FIMSHless. Anyway, I'll see everyone tomorrow. Bye bye. Oh no, liquid cake. You did. I did start late. Early, I mean. Could I do it again? Go again? Stream number 2? Not this time. I think it's time for me to eat. Oh, and I have to go to the shops. Oh shit, they shut soon. Oh my god, I forgot. I need to go. I actually need to go. I have to go to the shops. I guess if I feel like streaming after the shops, I could come back, but I don't think that's happening. Anyway, bye bye.